whole bunch of school-related stuff on top of, taking care of the 4-month-old, on top of getting a toddler to try to take a nap. It is 1:32 right now. I put my son down an hour ago, and he's still up. And I have an interview between 2 and 5:30 for my school. My 4-month-old Dylan is about to fall asleep. He's been kind of fighting this week today. He wanted me to rock him to sleep, but I got him to be okay with being in the swing, being rocked to sleep that way instead of being rocked to sleep on me. See, I'm so tired. Crazy thing is, I took a nap. Went to bed at 8 o'clock. Had to get up at 2 because Junior woke up. Put him back to bed. I went back to bed and I'm still tired. Don't understand it. But it did snow a little bit more. Let's show you guys what it looks like outside. The sun is out, so it's going to look a little bit brighter. That's what it looks like outside. This is the first time we've seen the sun out today, so that is what it looks like. It's not a lot of snow, to be honest with you, but snow is snow, and I'm gonna have Junior out in it today because it's gonna be his first time in snow. Alright, y'all. Back in bed. Just made dinner. Well, he's a guy. Baby's got like 15 minutes and the chicken will be done. I'm in bed already. I told him I was exhausted. He's like, how are you exhausted? And I was like, I honestly have no idea. It's been like this since we got back to Virginia. I've just been really, really tired and don't know why. So that's what's going on. I was like, I don't know if it's my period coming or it's a birth control, but I'm exhausted. And I had a little follow-up with my school. Speaking of school, before I go off of that, so I'm almost done with everything to start this new journey. I don't think I told you guys I'm switching from vet tech to medical billing and coding, and I'm almost done with my journey with that. I just have a couple things I need to do. Yeah, I just have a couple of things that I need to do. I am waiting on some waivers to be accepted, and hopefully if everything goes well, I'll be starting January 14th, which is next week. So I definitely told them, like, I'm trying to do it as soon as possible, so, but I can't get that date changed, pushed up or pushed back if I need to. But that's what's going on with school. But back to what I was saying, I am just extremely tired. I am very, very tired, and I know it's like, it like comes in waves, like comes at night, and if I'm like doing something that I need my attention for, it doesn't happen. But like as soon as, let's say I'm off work, or like I'm not doing anything with Junior, or you know, I don't have to do anything that requires my attention, like I'm out. Like right now I could go to sleep and sleep all the night, and I'm trying to stay up and not do that because I don't need to wake up, you know, crazy. Because crazy hours in the morning. I'm sorry, guys. I am very exhausted. And oh yeah, so my brother, he left today, and he was on his way to Virginia. He was actually in Virginia, and his tire lost tread, so he had to pull over. And okay, yeah, she pulled over and lost some tread, so had to get maintenance and all that. So, but he's good. He's on his way back there now. And the crazy thing is, Virginia has a blizzard warning right now. They're supposed to be getting like a lot of snow, and Virginia doesn't get snow like that at all. So when Virginia gets snow, Virginia shuts down. So I was like, bro, you definitely don't work tomorrow because you guys getting snow. And when I told him this morning, he was like, no, it's not gonna be that bad. And then the state trooper that was waiting with him for roadside assistance was like, no, like, we're getting like probably like, I guess he said like 15 inches or more of snow. And I was sitting there like, yeah, bro, like, I wasn't playing. Like, you guys are gonna be getting some like really, really bad snow. They haven't declared a state of emergency over there yet, but I feel like with Virginia, like, anytime there's like any type of crazy weather, they declare state of emergency, because Virginia really don't get crazy weather like that. Like, they barely get hurricanes, barely get tornadoes, barely get snow. So like, we have snow, and it's supposed to be 3 degrees tonight. No, I'm for real. Like, you think I'm playing? Watch this, y'all. What'd that say? That says 3 degrees tonight. And then the next couple of days, Saturday, high 18, low 7. Sunday, high 26, low 17. Monday, it starts warming up. Like, no, it's